Get up and sing, mother. Another angel is waiting for wings. Beat on the drum, heat of the sun, and raise up the dirt into wonderful things. Mountains will fly, follow my eye, line up to the sight and the sound. Ranges and ridges, rivers and bridges, the rhythm is breaking new ground. And I push up onto the points of my toes, fill up my chest with the shimmering air, open my throat and pitch the lyric up to the limitless blue beyond the stratosphere. And the beat of my heart blew the whole world apart, and I lost all my reason to the tides and the seasons, and the notes in the motes of the dust in the dark, and the diamond spark of stone, and the storm on the sea. I hear harps in the wind, the harps in the wind, my heart and the harps in the wind. Get up and dance, mother. Another breaker is ready to roll. Water and sand in the palm of your hand, the salt and the strand on the edge of your soul. Kick for the coast, spirit and ghost, with a whisper of sand on your skin. Fire and fishes, sirens and witches, they're calling you to dive in and swim. I push up onto the points of my toes, fill up my chest with a shimmering air, open my throat and pitch the lyric up to the limitless blue beyond the stratosphere. And the beat of my heart blew the whole world apart, and I lost all my reason to the tides and the seasons, and the notes in the motes of the dust in the dark, and the diamond sparking of stone, and the storm on the sea. I hear the harps in the wind, the harps in the wind, my heart and the harps in the wind. This place is lit up by a winter solstice sun, melody, measure and meteor, and the constellations turn. The weave of the waves locked into the dance of our satellite moon. Leaves in the wind circle and spin, and the dancing goes on and on.